Hello everyone. Right, hopefully this is my first video, which I'm planning to post it on my YouTube channel. I got a couple of other mores, but they are still of I don't know if I'm gonna manage to put them all together. I'll try to keep this one short, so I'm trying to work on these ones. I got two of the Studebakers corgi toys, two of them. This one a little bit better condition. This one is very over painted, horrible over painted, but otherwise is all in one piece. We'll see how the screen is gonna come up. It has a little crack in it here in the corner, right in here, but we'll see how we'll deal with that one. We got this one as well. This one is not over painted, it's alright, it's just the yeah, sorry about that guys, I have to take that phone call. Yeah, so yeah, we got these things to start with. As I said, this one is not that bad, still have the original color, just have some cracks in the windscreen. I think I have some of it, I think so, I'm not so sure, I have to check. If not, we're probably just gonna put a new one. I start already to take the tires out. The tires are horrible, all of them, they'll go in the rubbish. They don't even match. And yeah, then we have a couple of dinkies. Rambler. This one is a bit stuck here with the paint, over painted as well. We'll see how this one come out as well. And we got another one, dinky, a Rambler, but this is a cross country, and is the one with the steering, the front steering. Windows over painted, missing a pillar here, broken one here. But yeah, otherwise pretty much good condition. So yeah, let's not take this video too long. Let me pause it, take the rivets out on all of them, and put them in the stripper, and we go from there guys. See you in a bit. There you go, rivets out. Let's see what we're gonna find inside. Nothing, just the rust. This one I'm gonna go to clean. Oh, we got one more rivet here. This one is cracked already here. Let me try to take this out quick. There you go. Unfortunately the crack is going up to the front screen a little bit there, but we'll see after a good clean. So there you go. This one goes in the stripper, this one as well. These two, they're gonna go for cleaning. Let's do this one. There you go. Stripper. It is a rivet here. And this one. My goodness, all of them come cracked. Things straight from the factory probably. When they put the rivet in. Okay, let me pause these guys and come back to you in a minute. There you go, we are back. Let's see what can we do here. Because we can't really drill this one. So we try to file it. Like a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, this look like it's paint as well. Stick over there. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause it because it looks like it takes a little bit more time. I'm gonna pause video and I come back to you in a minute. There you go guys, we are out. This one same has cracked the same as the other one. Unfortunately all this paint around it was stick over there. So yeah, but we get it out. So this one is gonna go in the strip as well. This one we try to clean it. Let's see our Studebaker. Stripper. cleaning, and there you go. This one again is cracked here, all the way here. Look like missing a little part here. Let me try to drill this quick. Yeah, looks like the paint and this one as well. It goes over here, around, over here. Oh my goodness, yeah, over here. Okay, so with this one, you come back later as well. There you go. Tire out. Stripper. Clean. Yeah, I'm gonna drill these two out. I'm gonna take these two out and I come back to you in a minute. There you go, guys. Both of them out. Both of them cracks. We'll see what we're gonna do with them. Stripper time. And I'll come back to you guys. Right, guys, in the meantime, we got a little package just came. So if we are here, let's open it quick together. To be honest with you, I have more coming, so I'm not very sure what's this one in, but we're gonna find out together. Oh, now I know. This is the limousine Mercedes, the Pullman, but this is the dinky version. There you go. Good tires, door missing, steering, front lights. Yeah, got a little bit of dent here, but the good thing is we have the bonnet here and the door and the driver. So we have to figure it out, just the lights. There you go. That's the driver. That's the bonnet. So I'm gonna figure out the lights, but I'm gonna, yeah, unfortunately the latch inside is broken. So we're gonna figure it out, that one. Door as well. Hopefully, maybe we're gonna have the other part inside from the door, maybe. The hinge, maybe. If not, we have to figure it out something. And there you go. So this one steers as well. I did have before, even now I have one, it comes out someday to do it, but I never have from Dinky, this Pullman. I got from Corgi one, you know, with the wipers and thing. So this one is gonna be next. I did couple of them before. I did one in a brown. To be honest with you, I don't really like this burgundy color, but I'm gonna make one, at least one of them, I'm gonna make them burgundy. So to be in the original color. But as I mentioned before, I'm not doing it like I'm not doing them like a proper color and everything. Some of them, if I like the color, yeah, but if not, I'm not too bothered if it comes exactly the same, because I'm not gonna sell them, so all of them end up in my shelf, in my collection. So whenever I feel like, whenever I want it, I'm just gonna change the color, you know. So yeah, but probably one, because I already have 3 of those, the Corgi ones. You know, the one with the wiper working. So most probably this one, it will end up in the original color. And this one I will see, you know, being so big, I might, don't know, might doing it in black, maybe metallic black, you know. Is a limousine, so in my opinion, on the limousine should be black or white, you know, no other colors. But yeah, we'll see, we decide on this one. The good thing is here. So yeah, we got more things to come. We have to find the steering for it, because the steering is not here. So there you go. Driver in his place. Well, inside, not in his place. So we're gonna figure it out what we're gonna do with this one later on. At the moment, we're gonna put them in the box to do. So we're gonna continue with our things. So yeah, I just wanna open the box with you guys. We are already in this video, so yeah, I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, so here we go, guys. We have the pan ready for the stripper. Usually I'm using this one, varnish stripper. It's not too bad. You know, I know is the best way is the caustic soda, but I'm doing it inside in my working room. So painting, I'm doing it outside in the garden, because I don't have a shed or a garage. So yeah, no caustic soda here. So yeah, we'll put this one in the stripper and I'll come back to you in a minute, guys. Right, there you go, guys. We are in the stripper. Now we're gonna wait a couple of hours, see what's going on. I hate those overpainted one, because this might take a couple of coats of stripper. It depends, we'll see how lucky we are. This one I just did it, and look, already start to get stripper working slowly. So yeah, we're gonna wait and see what happens. We give it an hour or two and I'll come back to you guys. There you go, guys, exactly what I was saying earlier. This is after the first 3 hours of stripper. Still have a long way to go. It did go off, but not enough. This one, that's why I hate this color. This one, I have a feeling if I leave, even if I leave in the strip until tomorrow, still gonna be the same shit. And this one as well. But yeah, let me go the second coat on it and I'll come back to you guys. There you go, guys. Second attempt. Still horrible results. This is horrible paint to come out. But yeah, I decided there's no point keeping it in the strip, or not even for a week. I'm just gonna brush it with a wire brush. So yeah, this one the same. I don't know, it probably depends how many coats of paint he has or whatever, probably the paint used, because most of the time I really don't have any problem with it. In like 1 hour the paint is gone and that's it, all done and dusted. This is a little bit better, just a little bit wire brush and should be alright. This one as well. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Right guys, here we go. So we brushed them, we washed them as better as we could. So I think they're ready to go. They're not too bad. They're alright. The screens, I cleaned them as better as I could. Okay. Unfortunately this one, nothing I can do with it. I try my best, but nah. So this one you have to figure out something with it. So I'll stop this right now. We're gonna come back tomorrow with the part 2. Enough for today. See you tomorrow, guys. There you go, guys. I'm back. This is our Rambler painted. I did made myself these roof bars. Still have to work on it a little bit. Then I'm just gonna paint the top black, the white, and that pillar which was missing as well need to be painted yellow. And I'll come back to you guys. Right, here we go, guys. We are back. So we did paint the top white. As I didn't have the roof bars, I have to do one by myself, which I did it, and I used this you know, this piece of metal from the rivets, you know. It's there you go. These ones, I'm on focus. So I use this one. They came up pretty much good. They're not too bad. So yeah, we have the roof bar painted. I put the screen in place. So we're just gonna put the rest of it, the interior and the base, then the tires, and yeah, then we're gonna work a little bit on the details, you know, which obviously after everything is ready I'm gonna come back to you guys. This one done as well, because I couldn't save the windscreen. This one is horrible condition, you know, it's not it couldn't be saved anymore. So what I did I made one from the piece of plastics, just cut the pieces and glue it in. So there you go, we have a new screen. It came out quite alright, same as this one. Once I get into the details, I'm gonna come back with the rest of them. Same, all of them, they're already painted, just put the interior, do the details, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with the final product. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Right, here we go, guys. As I promised, I am back with the final product, all done and dusted, all the details done, everything. The white one as well. This one on this pillar, the touch-up paint is a little bit darker, but well, it's alright. Not too bad, considering the way it was. I think they come out great. The fire chief as well, missing just the stickers. Ordered them, so they will come soon. But otherwise all there. Alright guys, so that's about all these 4 cars. I'm gonna end up the video here. I'll try to put all these together and put it up on YouTube. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon. See you on the next video.